India is big country. A. B. An, C. The, or D. None. Which is the correct answer? A. India is a big country. Number 2. You need to read blank Bible. You need to read blank Bible. You need to read the Bible. With holy books, we need to use the. Number 3. He is blank hour late. A, an, the, or none. He is an hour late. We use an because we use an with a vowel sound, and in this case, the H in hour is silent, so we say hour. He is an hour late. Number 4. How often do you go to dentist? How often do you go to dentist? And the answer is the. How often do you go to the dentist? Number 5. Can you close blank door, please? A, an, the, or no, none. No article. Can you close the door, please? Okay, we use the for specific examples, right? Like in this case, we're talking about a specific door, the door. Number 6. Blank football is a popular sport. No article. Football is a popular sport. Okay, we're just talking in general here. So we say football is a popular sport. Number 7. My sister works in blank bank in Dubai. And the answer is, my sister works in a bank in Dubai. My sister works in a bank in Dubai. Africa is larger than blank Europe. Africa is larger than blank Europe. None. No article needed. Africa is larger than Europe. Number 9. Can you play blank guitar? And the answer is the guitar. Can you play the guitar? Number 10. John comes from blank large family. John comes from blank large family. A large family. John comes from a large family. Number 11. Computer has changed the way we live. The computer has changed the way we live. Number 12. Blank women live longer than blank men. And the answer is D, none. No article needed. So women live longer than men. We're speaking in general here. Number 13. I am going to blank cinema later. I am going to blank cinema later. Letter C, the. I am going to the cinema later. I am going to the cinema later. Number 14. Does this street have blank park? Does this street have blank park? Does this street have a park? Okay, any park. Number 15. Can we go to blank park down the street? And the answer is the. Can we go to the park down the street? Okay, in this case, we're talking about a specific park that we both know about. Number 16. We had a drink in blank nice bar. We had a drink in blank nice bar. We had a drink in a nice bar. We had a drink in a nice bar. Number 17. This is blank best bar in town. This is blank best bar in town. This is the best bar in town. This is the best bar in town. Number 18. There are no chairs, so we sat on blank floor. There are no chairs, so we sat on blank floor. On the floor. We sat on the floor. Number 19. Blank Rocky Mountains are huge. Blank Rocky Mountains are huge. The Rocky Mountains are huge. Okay, we use the with mountain ranges. The Rocky Mountains are huge. Very big. Number 20. I need to live in a place with blank supermarket. I need to live in a place with blank supermarket. And the answer is with a supermarket. I need to live in a place with a supermarket. Okay, that's this video. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like.